had been to many different dentists, between orthodontics to just overall general dentistry. I'd always been told basically the same thing. My mouth was small, my teeth were too crowded, I should have done something about it, I would just need my jaw broken, I would need braces, just really the whole 9 yards. I had heard about a dentist in Lake St. Louis who does braces that seem to do things a whole lot faster and it's for half the price. I was like, really? Okay. Didn't think much of it. I was like, well, that's not gonna work for me. I've been told this many times. But I had finally got up the nerve to check into getting, some work done because I had just had enough and I came here. The staff was super friendly, immediately warm, felt comfortable here, as uncomfortable as I was. I remember the very day I came in, actually. I came in, sat right over here, waited, just nervous, expecting to be dismissed, belittled, told me this, to tell me this wasn't going to work, basically. You need jaw surgery, you need your mouth broken, you need braces, and it's going to be a long and extensive routine that's going to have to happen. It's not what happened at all. He sat down next to me, which is the first thing I noticed and made me feel more comfortable. He got on my level and explained things in a way I could understand. And he told me, I think there's a way we can do this without getting you into surgery and spending tens of thousands of dollars, which was nice to hear. He gave me hope and we started that very same day. Dr. Boscia made me feel extremely welcomed, comfortable. His staff is super friendly. They were all very willing and wanting to help. They wanted to see me through this process. And today I feel great. I'm so glad I did this. I couldn't have made a better choice. With Dr. Boscia, this was possible. I wasn't hopeless anymore. He gave me hope.